I don't like my mind right now, stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Wish that I could slow things down. I wanna let go, but there's comfort in the pain.
So,
and I drive myself crazy.
I know I'm supposed to ignore what I'm looking at here.
About me. Yeah, I drive
Boundaries,
myself crazy, cause I can't
rules
escape
of
the
engagement,
gravity.
whatever this is.
Why is
God, is this?
everything so heavy?
Billy Russo.
So much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on.
Why is everything so heavy? You say that I'm paranoid, but I'm pretty sure the water's out to get me. It's not like I made the choice to let my mind stay so fucking messy. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I'm holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. Just so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy?
I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same.
I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same.
And I drive myself crazy, thinking everything's about me.
I'm never gonna hurt you.
Go.
Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. So much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's